Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are back with another tutorial. And this time I will show you how to download, install, and set up a VPN app called EMI TunnelVPN, which is available on the Google Play Store. Before we start, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe, like, share, and comment below if something is not clear so you do not miss any of my next videos. Now let's begin. First, open the Google Play Store on your phone. In the search bar type EMI TunnelVPN. When you find the app, check its name and icon. To make sure you have the right one, tap on the app, and then tap Install. After the installation is complete, tap Open to launch the app. When the app opens, you will see the home screen. Before connecting, you can do some simple settings. To make it work better, tap on the 4-box icon at the top of the screen. From the menu, choose Check Updates. This will update the app's files and help it run smoothly. Next, you need to select a server. Tap on the server box and choose a server from the list. You can pick one yourself, or leave it on auto select so the app chooses the best one for your location. Then choose your network type from the box. For most people, all network UDP works fine. If it does not connect in your country, you can try another network type from the list. After finishing these steps, tap the Start button to connect. As you can see, it connects successfully. And that's how you can set up and use EMI TunnelVPN on your Android phone. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please like, share, and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. See you in the next video.